When asked to describe Vetiver, Jean Coleo, who I'm probably butchering his name, but was once a badass nose back in the day, like think Lacoste and other stuff in the like 60s and 70s, perfume nose, explained it as a sack of potatoes. And he's not wrong. The scent's usually woody, green, earthy, and it's kind of different based on the part of the world in which it comes from. Javanese vetiver, which think like Indonesia or Southeast Asia, is dusty and it's a little bit smoky. Haitian vetiver is a little bit more clean, a little bit more delicate. And this stuff has been used in perfume like forever, ancient times, forever. And why not? I mean, it can be used as a fixative, which basically means that it holds down lighter, more volatile chemicals so that they stay within the perfume composition a little bit longer and they don't leave the skin as quickly. And we can't seem to find a great synthetic to act as an alternative for vetiver either. So for now, we're just kind of stuck with what we have, and that's the natural product. So vetiver is actually a perennial grass, which means that it like blooms or grows in the spring and summer, and then it kind of dies down in the fall and winter. It likes to grow in marshy land or in riverbanks, and it loves a butt ton of rain. So it's in like very wet, super rained in climates. In fact, in some countries, they're actually used to make like little mats and also blinds for like their households. And it creates a cooling effect for the household. But also when the breeze flows through the vetiver, it gives like this nice aromatic feel to any room it's in. But back to hard hitting facts. So how is this produced? It's steam distilled, in short, which basically means that they take the roots, they wash them, they dry them, they cut them up into small little pieces, and then they boil them for 6 to 14 hours. And that process creates a whole bunch of steam, which then carries over all of the aromatics into like a different area, and that's where the oil is held. Kind of a poor description. I'm sorry. That's about as good as it's going to get from me. But that oil that gets carried over into the other area with the steam, that gets further condensed, and then it gets stored for a few months so that it can get even more aromatic and it can develop even more. Fragrances with vetiver, Bal d'Afrique, Fat Electrician from a Tête Libre d'Orange, which I actually really like that perfume. I think it's really great. Was originally attracted to it because of its name, but it smells really good. And then Cowboy Grass by Diaz and Durga.